Yo guys, what up, man? It's a boy Dennis here again. Today I'm going to show you guys on how you can start making money per sign up, guys. There's some other affiliate programs that I'm going to show you that you can earn up to $10 per sign up. So stick with me until the end of this video because I'm going to show you step by step. So yeah, let's get started. So what are you gonna do first? Yeah, so I'm on my screen right now. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna go step by step and show you how you can do and start making money online. You can earn up to $10, guys, per sign up. For every sign up that you refer from someone or your friend, you just earn $10. Simple as that. There's nothing to do with other things. So if someone just sign up using your link, then you earn up at $1. So I'm going to also try to leave this website. There are more than 7 or 8 websites. So I'm going to just try to leave the link in the description below so that you can go and sign up and start making money as soon as possible. For all my people from South Africa, Tanzania, Zambia, and all over the world, all over the Africa, all over the continent, guys, this is amazing. This is our same. You can start making money as soon as possible without doing anything, just by referring your friend and start making money. Simple as that. So what we're gonna do today, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friend, because in this channel we talk about making money online. That's it. So today I have more than 8 softwares that I'm gonna. Okay, so the website number 1, it's called constantcontact.com. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below for the all websites, so don't worry about anything else. So this is a website that you can earn up to $5. This website number 1, you can earn up to $5 per sign up. This but I don't see in my laptop here, but when I checked my phone, let me just get started. When I checked my phone here, let me try to check. Okay, so it said you can earn $5 per each sign. I don't know if you can guys see there, but I don't think so. But you can earn up to $5. I don't know. You see, get paid. So you can earn up to $5 per sign up. So you can earn $5 per sign up. This is a software which for email marketing, for the people who are interested in email marketing. And also the goodness of this app, if someone sign up and they decide also to buy this email software, then you'll be able to earn even more. You can earn up to 105% up for every customer that buy the software. So this is the goodness of this app. It is good, guys, and it's amazing. The app chain number 2, the software number 2, it's called freshbooks.com. The freshbooks.com, as you can see, this is a software also that you can earn up to let me check down here. Check that. Say affiliate. This software also you can earn up to $5, $10. Okay, let me find out also, because I don't see anything here. Okay, see, this is software that if freshbooks.com, if you refer a friend, they will send you $25. You're gonna earn $25 per sign up. This is amazing, guys. And all these apps that I'm showing you guys, they're 100% legit. There's nothing to worry. You're gonna get your money or on your PayPal, straight to your PayPal, then straight to your bank account straight, guys. So this is amazing. That's what I like about these apps, these softwares, because you make money by referring people. There's nothing to do, there's nothing to sell, just by referring someone. And also, if that customer that you refer, if he get interested on the business, then if he decide to buy, then you earn even more. So this is the goodness, guys, about this app. So this is app number 2. As you can see, just receive 125 US dollars gift card for every qualification lead you refer. So this is amazing, guys. And also the goodness, if you refer a business, also you're gonna earn 150 US dollars, include the businesses of 10 employers or more, receive 150 US dollars gift card for every qualified business you refer. This is the goodness, guys. This is amazing and beautiful, guys. So yeah, so go started. I'm gonna leave the link, all this website in the description below. This there's the number 2 also. It's called grammarly.com. I don't know if you have heard about this, but it's called grammarly.com. So let it roll. I think it's a network. Also in grammarly.com, this software also, let me scroll down. Let's say affiliates here. Let's see how much you can earn per refer. Also, this website, it's a you can earn up to 0.20 cent, $20 per refer. So without doing anything, just by referring someone, then you earn 20 cents. Simple as that. This is website number 2. This is software number 2. The software number 3, it's called gingersoft.com. So at gingersoft.com also, gingersoft.com. Let's see for how much you can earn. Wait a moment. Okay, guys, this software, as you can see here on my phone, you can earn up to 0.5 cent per referral, as you can see here. So simple as that. If someone sign up under your link, then you earn 0.5. So let's go. The software number 4. It's number 4. I don't know. Number 4. Check. It's not number 4. Yes, I don't know what's happening. Okay. Another software, it's called sharesell.com. At sharesell.com also, let's see an earning. You can also decide to become an affiliate using these, guys. So this is a goodness. You can go and sign up for as an affiliate and start making money using this as affiliate marketing. And also this, I don't see anything. Then I'll find out. We'll come back. Okay, guys, I didn't see where you can earn. It seems like you in that software you don't earn by sign up. So I decided to move forward, but I'm gonna leave the link below so you can go for yourself and check, because I don't have that time. So by this one, it's called pluralsight.com. Pluralsight.com, you earn $5 per sign up. I think you guys can see. I don't know, my camera is not that. But you see, per sign up, you can earn $5, and also per subscription, you earn 50% for each customer that buy through your link. So that's the goodness of it, guys. So this software number 5, another one again, it's called Skillshare. Also Skillshare. Skillshare.com. I don't know how much you earn, but it's okay. Let's see also how much you can earn. Skillshare. I think this is the last one. Okay. At skillshare.com also. Skillshare. Let's see how much you can earn as an affiliate. Let's see. Okay, refer friend here. I don't see how much you can earn. Okay, let me find out again on my phone because the one laptop. Okay, guys, in skillshare.com, you earn $7 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. This is it. You earn $7 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. So that's a goodness, guys. So you can go and start making money as soon as possible. And also there's a last one called the what? Impact. Yeah, I think this for today, guys. That's it. There's nothing else. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. Please, if this video gives value, don't forget to subscribe, to like and share with your friend, because this helps me to make again the same video like this, so that I can start moving forward with the YouTube algorithm. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I will see you in the next video, where I'll be showing you another secret on how to start making money online as well. So thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.